Hello students, welcome to class 4th Max, lesson number 6 multiplication, introduction part 2. Today we are going to learn following topics: multiple, multiplying by tens, hundreds and thousands, multiplication by a two-digit number. Our first topic is multiple. The product of two whole numbers is a multiple of each factors. Product means what? Answer. Okay, answer that we are multiplying by multiplicand and multiplier, that both answer is known as a product. Okay. This product is also known as a multiple of each factors. As we know that 2 multiplied by 0 we will get 0. 2 multiplied by 1 we will get 2. 2 multiplied by 2 we will get 4. 2 multiplied by 3 we will get 6. 2 multiplied by 4 we will get 8. 2 multiplied by 5 we will get 10. So see here 2 is the product and this 2 and 1 are factor. So in 2 table also 2 will come, 2 ones are 2, and in 1 table also 2 will come, 1 twos are 2. So this product 2 is a multiple of each factor. Now see here 4 is a product and this 2 and 2 are factors. So see here in 2 table 4 will come, yes, 2 twos are 4, and same way in 2 table 2 twos are 4. So this 4 is a multiple of each factor. Now here product is 6 and factors are 2 and 3. So in 2 table when 6 will come, 2 threes are 6, and in 3 table 3 twos are 6. So 6 is a multiple of each factors. Okay children? Now the product 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 obtained on multiplying by 2 by the whole numbers 0 means 2 multiplied by 0 we will get 0. 2 multiplied by 1 we will get 2 ones are 2. 2 multiplied by 2 means 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. This way it will go on. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16 are called the multiples of 2 because in 2 table this all number will come. Okay, so this is known as a multiples of 2. Now see example. The multiple of 3s are, now these are the multiples of 2. Now multiples of 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12 and 3 fives are 15. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, then 3 6 are 18, 3 sevens are 21. These all are multiples of 3. Now multiples of 4. So see 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, and it goes on. So these are the multiples of 4. Now multiples of 10. The multiples of 10 are 10, 20 means 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, and 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70. Like this way it will goes on. So these are known as the multiples of 10. Now multiplying by tens, hundreds and thousands. Look at the following pattern. Now see 5 multiplied by 1 we will get 5. 5 multiplied by 1 we will get means 5 ones. 5 multiplied by 10 we will get 5 tens are 50. Here 5 multiplied by 10 means 5 tens or 50. 5 multiplied by 100 we will get 500 means if 10 is there means it is 10, so we will write number after 10 means 50. In 5 multiplied by 100, 100 having how many zeros? 2 zeros, so we will write 500 means 5 multiplied by 100 equal to 500 or 500 500. Now 5 multiplied by 1000. Thousands having how many zeros? 3. So we will write number 5 and we will write 305,000.
Now 5 multiplied by 1000 equal to 5000 or 5000. Observe this pattern carefully. 74 multiplied by 10 means we will get 74 tens. So what we will write in 10, how many zeros are there? 1. So we will write first number 74 multiplied by 10. So we will get 740. 40 multiplied by 10. So what we will get? 40 tens. In 10, how many zeros are there? 1. So first we will write 40, then we will write 0, means it will become 400. 37 multiplied by 100 equal to 3700. So first we will write 37. In 100, how many zeros are there? 2. So we will write 2 zeros. So it will become 3700. 65 multiplied by 1000. So it will become 65,000. See here, first we will write 65. In thousands, how many zeros are there? 3. So we will write 3 zeros. So it will become 65,000. Now see, 13 multiplied by 70. So first we will split this 70. Means 70, how we will split? So 7 multiplied by 10, it will become 70. So first we will write 13 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 10. First we will multiply 13 sevens. So 13 sevens, how much we will get? 91. Then we will write multiply by 10. So in 10, how many zeros are there? 1. So we will write 91 tens. Means 910. Now 12 multiplied by 600. So see, first we will write 12 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 100. Now first we will multiply 12 6 72. Now 72 multiplied by 100, we will get 72 hundreds, means 7200. Now our next topic is multiplication by a two-digit number. Multiply 44 by 32. So see here, 44 multiplied by 32. So first we will start from ones place digit 2. So 2 4s are 8 and 2 4s are 8. Now see, 3 is in the place of tens, means it means 30. So in second line we will write first 0. Okay, whenever we are multiplying two digit number, that time in second line we will write here first 0. Then we will start with tens place 3. So 3 4s are 12. So 2 we will write down and 1 we will carry it over. Now 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. Now 13 we will write here. Now we have to add 8 plus 0 8. 8 plus 2 10. So 0 and 1 we will carry it over. Now 1 plus 3 4 and this one will come down. So our answer is 1408. So this 32 means the 2 is in the place of ones and 3 is in the place of tens, means 30 plus 2. And this 88 how we got? By multiplying 44 and 2, this first ones place digit. Okay, so 44 multiplied by 2 we got 88. Now 1320 how we got? By multiplying 44 and 30. We got 1320. So 44 is called the multiplicand, 32 is called the multiplier and 1408 is called the product.